Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete all posts on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to delete all of your posts on Facebook, then what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, now you just have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you just have to scroll down and head over to your activities, and inside your activities just tap on activity log, and after tapping on activity log, here you can find this option which is public posts. So in the top you can find these two options which are highlighted in blue colors, which are your posts, photos and videos, and the second one is public. So what you can do is just select this option, and now it will show you all your photos, videos and posts. So now what you can do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is beside that profile, and now you have to tap on move to bin and tap on move to recycle bin. And after deleting that, now if you just open up your recycle bin, you can also delete it from here. So just select this option and then tap on delete. After tapping on delete, you successfully delete your post. So that's it guys, this is how to delete all posts on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.